Please hand over the phone.
Dear friends, thanks for giving me a chance to talk about today's topic. I am very delighted to talk about the topic. Today's my topic is talk about advantage and disadvantage of satellite channel. Satellite channel is very important in modern world. In the age of globalization, the world has become a global place, and satellite channel has played an important role in this respect. And when we are staying in our home, we can know the world, and we can know what is happening in it through satellite channel. And satellite channel is providing many news which is very important in our life. And I think it is the best gift of wonder of modern science. On the other hand, we can see when establishing satellite channel, we couldn't see what happened past and how it happened, but nowadays we can see the happened of past, and I think satellite channel makes a bridge past and present. On the other hand, it has some disadvantage. To start it, satellite channels is destroying our culture, our society, our education, our young generation, and satellite in all the dirty Western culture is becoming through satellite channel, and this is spoiling our heritage. As a result, our culture is under threat in the face of Western culture, and I think we can see most of the young children are watching Western movies, teaching and acting, and they are applying in our society, and this is very harmful for our society because of our young generation. Satellite channel is destroying our young generation who are leading our country in future. And I think to sum up, our young generation should be aware to using satellite channel, and that's all about advantage and disadvantage of satellite channel. Thanks for patient hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.